Did you know that there are 2.7 million job opening in the world of data analysis and data science? But before that, let me ask you a quick question. Did you know what is the difference between data analysis and data science? If not, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Anirudh Kalmande. I am the founder and director at Fireblaze AI School, and in this particular video, we'll be discussing what is the difference between a data analyst and a data scientist. But to understand who the data analyst and who data scientist is, we need to first understand what data analysis and data science are. So these domains, we'll talk about them first. Data analysis is a process where we collect the data, simplify it, and make sense out of it. So basically we analyze the data, as simple as that. Whereas data science is a multidisciplinary domain where raw, unstructured data is processed, cleaned, and transformed into a valuable insight. In this, we as well use machine learning algorithms and statistical processes to forecast and predict valuable insights on the existing data as well. So that's the difference between data analysis and data science. You forecast over here. Now, since we know what data analysis and data science is, let us try to understand more about the person who does these tasks. So a data analyst is a person who analyzes the data, and now we'll talk about the day-to-day activities involved in that job designation. So the first thing is that he will try to find out all the specific answers related to the organization's business. He will be given problem statements and he will be finding out those answers from the data. So data-driven answers would be generated over here. Second thing is, he will be responsible for creating dashboards which would be used to determine the KPIs, that is, key performance indicators of the business. It could be a sales dashboard to reflect the amount of sales done. It could be a dashboard related to CRM's data, customer relationship management software's data, to tell more about the insight. And the third one is that he will be responsible to generate different kind of insights over structured data. So structured data is important. He will be having structured data and he will be reflecting different insights over them. Now let us try to understand what day-to-day activities of a data scientist involve. So one, he is responsible to design the way in which the data is stored, structured, and analyzed. Second, he would be responsible for all the processes related to data cleaning, data processing. So he'll have to design the entire pipeline to do so that the analyst can analyze the data nicely, right? And the third process is to do the data visualization, the process which we generally call it as EDA, exploratory data analysis, the stage where he actually explores the entire data. Fourth one is to apply proper set of machine learning algorithms, build wonderful statistical models, and design an entire pipeline around it. Fifth is to optimize these pipelines to create more robust ways so that these pipelines could work in a proper streamlined manner using the big data frameworks or machine learning algorithms or statistical techniques. Now, after understanding what data analysis and data science is, we talked about what are the day-to-day things that a data analyst and a data scientist do. Now let's talk about their skill sets. So a skill sets involved to be a data analyst are data mining, data warehousing. A basic knowledge of statistics is helpful. Then he should be good at various data visualization tools such as Tableau and Power BI. He should also be good at SQL and Microsoft Excel. Whereas the skill sets required for a data scientist are everything whatever was there in data analysis skill sets. That is data mining, data warehousing, SQL, Excel, everything is required. But on top of it, you should be good at advanced statistics for data cleaning purposes. You should be good at programming languages. That is Python, R or Scala. These are at least expected to handle big amount of data. Then on top of it, he should be good storyteller. The person is expected to be a good storyteller because he should be able to connect all the dots between a problem statement, processes to how the data is collected, generated, insights, machine learning algorithm, and then he should be able to reflect the story behind it. So for this, he will also be expected to be good at the domain knowledge. So on top of it, just to summarize, your SQL, Python, programming languages are important, right? Machine learning algorithms and domain knowledge with storytelling skill sets. I hope that this sums up the difference between the data analyst and a data scientist. I hope that it is clear now for you to decide that which role you would like to go for. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe Fireblaze AI School channel.